Let's go.
Hi guys, it's me, Chan. All right, today is a very exciting day because we are teaming up with MadTasty and Fancy Sprinkles, obviously, to create a 90s inspired summer mocktail.
That's really good.
We have both founders of both companies with us today.
Celebrities are always late.
What do you mean, cardboard? What is this? Is it because I don't have a blue check mark?
I'm not happy. Sarah, you're fired. And I know that you're my boss, but not right now.
From the top! And we're back to it. Today we are going to be making a 90s unicorn sherbet float. Fancy Sprinkles creator Lisa Stelli's gorgeous girl over here decided to make all of the summer blends about the 90s because she loves nostalgia. Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a pretty simple drink. All you're gonna need is a can of unicorn tears. MadTasty is the brand. You're gonna need some Prism Powder. I prefer tourmaline pink and teal topaz, two gorgeous colors. It was very loud, I'm so sorry. And Teen Beat. Oh, and agave. Great, first things first, we're gonna get started. Okay, so you're gonna need a cup. Okay, excuse me. Okay, key is, do we not have anybody to help move them? I got it. I do have cups in the dishwasher, and it's a very special dishwasher. It's called the Knock Knock. It's called the Knock Knock. Is this a joke? Why does technology hate me today? Are you kidding? It's called the Knock Knock. Okay, close the knock knock. We have in front of us all of everything we need. We are set. The first thing I like to do, because I try to be as organized as I can, even though I'm not great at it, is I pour my sprinkles into a bowl for the ultimate bowl shot. I am choosing to use Teen Beat because I think she's really pretty. She's a sugar blend, and we're gonna pour her out and find out what's inside. Now, be careful of a ricochet effect. Sometimes that happens. Okay, excuse me. Everybody just needs to move over. Ryan, classic Ryan, hogging the spotlight. Is everybody happy, do we think? I don't want to get sued. Okay, where were we? Back to the basics. Take your cup. I don't care where you get it from, because I'm not picky, only on some things. You're gonna simply dip and twist, because you want to get an even rim. You don't want one side to have more sugar on it. That's psychopathic. Is that a word? Speaking of psychopathic, when I grew up in the 90s, I wrote a book called The Psycho Princess named Psycho. Fun fact. She'll be fine there. Anyway, back to the dipping. Oh, she looks good. Oh, it's on the inside, so it looks good. Just kidding, it looks really good. Ignore me, I'm so sorry. I was too quick to judge. Life lesson. I feel like I'm talking a lot, and maybe it's because I'm used to nobody being in the room, but it feels very narcissistic. So if you guys have anything to say, just let me know. Okay. You're gonna take your Prism Powder. You're gonna put a few little taps in here. Ooh, fairy dust. Nope, Prism Powder. She's gorgeous. Now, before we get started, let me tell you a few facts about MadTasty. 0 sugar, under 15 calories per can. It's gluten-free, vegan, okay. Okay, I don't know, maybe because it's 20 milligrams of hemp extract, maybe because there's 0 sugar, maybe because it's vegan and gluten-free. Also, according to this guy, it's less than 15 calories per can. So for my MadTasty beverage, I chose unicorn tears because I relate to it on a spiritual level because I cry a lot. And some people tell me I'm a unicorn. Nobody's told me that. Now, when you're opening a can, it's very important to be quiet because you want this sound. Where's my mic? Here? How crisp did that sound? Whoa, oh my God, the sherbet. 1 second, excuse me. You look great today. Okay, you're gonna need to get sherbet, and you're gonna get, fun fact, it's actually called sherbet. Or maybe it's just typed sherbet. Did you know that? But it's sherbet. Excuse me. Here we go. Oh! Wow! Wow! Now, if Stevie Wonder was here, you know what he'd say? Isn't she lovely? We're not done. You open up your sherbet. Get any color you want because it's, 2021 and that's allowed. Just a little, boop, just a little. Oh! Too hard, that's okay. Life goes on. We learned a lesson. Be better. Oops. Top her off, a little more unicorn tears. Nobody's crying today, just the unicorns. Whoa, she's getting fizzy. Oh, best part. top her off. You want a little, we're in the 90s, guys, so we're not just gonna do pink. Because why do pink? What can you can also do teal topaz. Hold on. Wow. Wow, hold on, we're not done. We're not done yet. Give her one more top. Oh! Do you see the blue floating down and creating a tie-dye effect? It's the little moments I live for personally. Because let's be honest, it's been a dark time. There's not a lot to live for, but it's this stuff that you gotta live for. Where's the straws? Grab some of your favorite. I feel like I'm making a mess. That's okay. It's my kitchen. You can do what you want in your own home, people. Great. Now, oh, she's just getting prettier. Honestly, she's getting prettier. Now we're gonna taste her. Hold on. Hold on. Don't eat the glass. You'll die. Actually, you won't die. I saw a TV show where a woman had my strange addiction in GE class and she was like weirdly okay. This is amazing. Summer started. Where's my sunglasses? I put them away. We don't have the time. Guys! We did it. What's my next line? Well, guys, that was just a blast. What a fun summer cocktail. Improv. Who wrote this?
Shannon, you did.
Well, did anybody double check it? Because it's terrible. Guys, oh my God, he's carrying his own product. Why don't we, Lisa, you're not hold on. I'm gonna go get tape. Oh my God. Now we have both, why isn't there a hole? Hold on. This is why I got a box cutter. Oh, nailed it. Somebody take the knife. Well, guys, there you have it. We got a fantastic episode with our founders. You can go to MadTasty.com or you can go to stores. I saw, actually, fun fact, I was at Erewhon the other day and somebody was restocking MadTasty and I was like, good for you. Look at you. Resources. You can go to FancySprinkles.com and I think we're in some stores. I actually saw Fancy Sprinkles in the store in a window in the Palisades. So, good for you. Proud of you. Networking, branching out. MadTasty's, Ryan Tedder. We got Fancy Sprinkles, Lisa's Deli. We did it, you guys. Join us next time. Next time they better come. Bye, guys.
Let's go.